Alright, welcome back guys. So for chapter 7 we're going to be working on the pistol grip. So here in the right view, let's just create a sketch. And let's create a sketch by selecting the 2D plane or by clicking on the background. And let's use our Spline tool to outline this reference of the grip. Now using the Spline tool is my least favorite tool out of all the sketching tools because it's just not comfortable for me, but you know, that's just my opinion. I would much rather use the 3-point arc any chance I get rather than using these points to curve the spline. Also guys, we're almost done with this sketch. So I'm using the line tool right now. And remember I told you guys, when you're going through geometry, it doesn't really matter what shape you make, as long as it's hidden in the geometry so you won't see it. So once that's done, we're just going to right click on this profile and just press pull it. And let's angle this a bit. And let's press pull it to somewhere about here should be fine. And let's change it from cut to new body and one-sided to symmetric. Now we can hit F so we can fill these edges. So this edge and this edge. And let's go back to the right view so we can reference this. Just pull this inwards. It looks pretty good. Once satisfied, we can hit OK. And I'd say it's safe to fill at the bottom edge as well. So let's hit F and let's just bring this in a bit. Make this a bit smaller. Hit OK. Now let's select this surface and create a sketch. And I want to use the circle diameter circle icon and let's just outline this reference. That looks good. So we can just press pull this profile in to get that cut shape. So let's select it, press pull. Let's just drag this arrow in to about here. Let's hit cut. Now select the surface and create sketch. And we can now use the line tool to outline these lines here. Let's copy and paste this. I'm just going to drag this up to close this shape and let's press pull this inwards. And that looks fine. Let's hit OK. Now let's rotate back around and let's select this surface and create another sketch. Now we're going to use the circle diameter circle tool to outline some of these smaller circles. So once we have this one here, we'll just right click and press pull this out. Let's bring it out to about here. Right here, it looks fine. Set it to new body and hit OK. Now let's hit F so we can fill at this edge and round this off a bit. Once satisfied, we're going to hit OK, and we're going to duplicate this to match the references. We're just going to keep repeating this to match the rest of them. And as you guys can tell, we've been doing the same methods over and over, so it's building a muscle memory, so when you're working on your own personal projects, you'll have that knowledge. Hope that's making any sense for you guys. And please leave some comments and let me know what you guys think about this video so far. And our next step, let's just go to create sketch. And I want to create a sketch on this 2D plane here. And I want to use the 2-point rectangle to create a rectangle that I can rotate to create this bottom part of the pistol grip. Now let's just line this up with the reference. And we can adjust the size as well. Now let's press pull this. This looks fine right here. Let's set it to symmetric and let's change this to make it new body. Now we're going to fill at these edges to round it off. So hit F and let's grab these edges here. Let's go back to the reference side and let's just pull this inwards. Now let's hit OK once we're satisfied with the results. And let's hit F one more time so we can fill it the top and bottom edge. So we'll do the top first. Now let's fill it the bottom edge. And that looks really good. That looks actually spot on. But one thing I want to do is right click on the layer and I want to just move this up a bit to cover this discrepancy. And once we move this up, let's hit OK. Now I think it's a good time to combine these pieces. So let's combine this part with all of these cylindrical bodies, and let's hit join and hit OK. Now let's toggle this on to see the bodies. Alright guys, so that pretty much covers this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.